Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Ka sub divisional jong ka sora civil subdivision kalarakhe ya kasngi burom ya kinoi kai ni ka teachers day ka badairu kasngi kha pasispa arpunda jong president baar jong kari India u Dr. S Radha Krishna ya ka jingalang la pelong ha Morris Patrick King Memorial Secondary School Lightning O ha ka ba u MLA ka sora u ba Titus Khan ulai don lang kumkong san ha ka jinga don rengkat uba Donovan Karwan lang MDC N Hajong SDO jong sora civil subdivision uba V Nyang lang SDSEO sora ki noi kai ni school paper ki badan ha ka snong sora ki long kme long pa ki khna school lembak kiwi ha ka ning sngiu MLA la pun ku puram ru iki laingut ki samla puli ki bon chakmat ha ki examen jong ka SSLC bat HSSLC jong snem arhajar khatnyo lingba ki momento haringkat lang bat kapisa. Kilaingut kisam lagi belasyak pun ke buram ki kentop ya ulam prang lingdo ubalawan haka kerdan baningkong haka SSLC u abbor nong dhar haka kerdan bakhatlai haka SSLC bat u bankir lang sujon haka HSSLC ubrayo haka kerdan baningkong bat baro kitay kidai naka Ramakrishna Mission Higher Secondary School sora. Kumjuk ruk office jang sub divisional school education officer sora kalapun ke buram yakinoi kai kiban sa syong khatnyo nakakam hikai school kibakan thop e kakong Rostoy Teula kabahikai haka nongkro government LP school kakong Bernadette Nongrum kabalayo ban pediangru ya ka district award arjar khatnyo kabahikai haka Indira RCLP school Klechnong ban ya kakong Arvelus Benut kabahikai haka Tenrong B government LP school.
Galileo said, "You cannot teach a man anything, you can only help him find it within himself." Brad Henry said, "A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite imagination, and instill a love of learning." Yes, teachers, you inspire us to proceed forward and prepare us to withstand the obstacles of our life. Thank you for driving away fears to enable us move confidently in life. Thank you for believing in us and continually encouraging us, no matter how incompetent we are. Dear teacher, you are a great gift to all of us. You impact a lifetime and nobody can tell us where your influence stops.
Can you hear respect the teachers not only today, but we should respect the teachers every day. When I'm looking back to the old days, I always remember that we never have that guts to face our teachers face to face. When we saw the teachers right from far away, when we are walking on the street, we used to hide to meet the teachers. Why? Because we respect them. We respect them.